Number 3 in Whiskey Advocate's top 20 is a peated single malt scotch, but it's not from Islay. It scored 94 points and costs $65. Hailing from Speyside, this whiskey's peat character doesn't have the raw intensity or iodine notes found in Islay scotches. The peat influence here really focuses on smoke, and that's where it gets its name. The number 3 whiskey of 2020 is Benriach, the Smoky 12. Master blender Rachel Barry has transformed the Benriach lineup and introduced this new 12-year-old single malt. Part of the new face of Benriach is its texture. The Smoky 12 has a soft, velvety mouthfeel, which allows its well-rounded flavors to integrate seamlessly. Vanilla, toasted almond, hot cocoa, and apple with a sweet smoke like a warming autumn bonfire wafting throughout. The gentle smokiness of this whiskey will appeal to peat lovers and the peat wary alike. Whether you are already a Benriach fan or you're trying it for the first time, the Smoky 12, the number 3 whiskey of 2020 at 94 points and $65, offers something for everyone to love.